Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix an app that gives a similar error message. To get started, simply search for that app. Right click over it and click on App Settings. From here, scroll down and perform a repair of that app first. If this does not fixes the issue, then come back here again and perform a reset of that particular app. Once done, try to open the app and see if this fixes the issue or not. In the next method, search for wsreset.exe and click on it. Once done, the Microsoft Store will open automatically. Now search with that problematic app name. Open it from here. If you see an update here, update it or click on Open and see if the app is opening or not. In the next method, search for that problematic app. Right click over it and go to App Settings. Now scroll down and simply uninstall the app from here. Once uninstalled, close this window and restart your computer. After restart, open Microsoft Store. Search with the app name. Open it and simply install it from here. Once successfully installed, try to open the app and this should fix the issue. Additionally, you can do this. Click on the download tab here and from here click on update all. This will update all the existing apps on your Windows. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.